Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another exciting video. So today I'm going to be doing something very different from the usual. I'm going to be fixing my sleeveless gown that's cut. It's one of my favorite pieces and I don't want to throw it away. So let's see how we're going to give it a new life. If this is something you would like to see, stay with me and let's dive right into the video. Please subscribe and also turn on your notifications so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I post a video. And this is how it was looking before the cut. So I went ahead to measure the side that is still good so that I'll know the measurement that I'll be working with. After then, I brought out the pieces that I will be using to do the magic. I'll be working with 10-inch. I folded it so that I'll be able to cut the both sides at the same time, and I measured out the length and also the wideness of it. I'll be measuring 13-inch for this so that at the end of the day, after removing the sewing allowance, and because one side of it is going to be folded, at the end of it I'll have my 10-inch, and the width that I'll be working with is 1.5. I measured it out and went ahead to trim with my scissors. I'm doing this now in a fold so that I'll have the both sides at the same time. And I trimmed with my scissors, then I'll be dividing it to get the both side. And I divided it with my scissors, and after which I went over to my sewing machine to sew the both of them. This is the way I'm going to be folding it before sewing. I don't want to sew at the wrong side and turn it again. I just want to sew it this way and just attach it on the main material. And after that, I'll just head over to my sewing machine to sew them. If you haven't subscribed to my channel up to this point, what are you waiting for? Hit on that subscribe button and also turn on your notifications so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I post a video. And this is how it's looking after sewing. This is what I was trying to explain earlier. I sewed it on top of it, as you can see, and I went ahead to lose out the one that was there earlier, so I cut it out with my scissors and lose the other side. At this point, I was wondering how difficult it's going to look when I'm going to be attaching it, but at the end of the day it wasn't that difficult. For you to see that most time
you not wanting to do something already starting from your mind. If you put your mind that okay, that I'm going to achieve this thing, you will achieve it no matter what. So after losing it out, I attached the new one that I have, and I went ahead to sew it with my sewing machine, although my sewing machine wasn't able to climb it. So after attaching the other end, the side that I have to fold into, I use my hand needle to do that. And at the end of the day, it was a success. This is how I'm going to sew this other end. It's not something very difficult, and after sewing, this is how it's supposed to look. And yes, this is the final look of this dress. This is the side I sewed with the sewing machine, and this other side I use my hand needle to tack it because the needle of my machine wasn't able to pass on it.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video inspires you to fix your own clothes instead of giving up on them. So let me know in the comments, have you tried repairing your own clothes before? And if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and also turn on your notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Until next time, keep learning, keep trying, and remember, every stitch counts. See you in my next video. Bye.